From some previous days, I was seeing an error on ChatGPT which was unable to load history, and now my error has got fixed, and I'll also share with you how. So I'm going to share with you 5 different solutions to this problem, and any one of them must work 100% for you. And let me tell you that at the end of this video, I will also tell you that how you can download the ChatGPT app in your mobile, and I will also tell you that how you can copy all the generated response of ChatGPT at once. You know that how much difficulty we face while copying the generated response of ChatGPT, so your issue will be resolved. So now let's move towards the history not loading problem. So the very first solution is you have to switch the internet mode. Means if you are using the Wi-Fi, you have to switch to mobile data and turn off the Wi-Fi. And if you are using the mobile data, you have to switch to Wi-Fi. Your internet may be the very first reason for this error, which is not enabling your ChatGPT history to load. So this was the first solution, and if it didn't work for you, let's move towards the second one, which is the clearing the cache of your browsers. Now if you are on Android, you can simply go to your settings and open Google Chrome or any other browser that you use, and you can simply clear your cache from there. And if you are on iPhone, you can offload the app and you can also reinstall the browser. This may be the second reason which is not enabling your ChatGPT history to load. And if it also didn't work for you, you have to go for the third solution, which is logging in your account to the incognito mode of your browser. As you can see, I'm already on private. If you are on Safari, you can open a private tab, and if you are on Google Chrome, you can go to incognito mode from here. You have to just switch it here, and you can open a tab here, and you can open ChatGPT and log in your account in this incognito tab, and maximum chances are your history will load in this way. And if third method also didn't work for you, let's move towards the fourth one, which is switching the browser. Means if you are accessing ChatGPT on Google Chrome, you have to switch to Safari, and if you are opening ChatGPT on Safari, you have to switch to Google Chrome. And the last thing which you have to do in order to load your ChatGPT history is switching the device temporarily. Means if you are opening ChatGPT on your mobile, you have to switch to laptop or any other mobile. And if you are trying to load your ChatGPT history on laptop or desktop, you have to switch to mobile or any other device. This will not be permanent. You can again switch back to the same device when the history of ChatGPT starts loading. So these were the 5 solutions for loading ChatGPT history. If it is not being enabled for you, let me know in the comments which thing worked for you. Now for downloading the ChatGPT app in your mobile phone or copying all the generated response at once, here are 2 quick video tutorials in the end screens. Go watch out those videos. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.